My name is Ruchika Khekare. I have recently completed BE in Computer Engineering at Bharati Vidyapit Pune in the year 2023. I have recently got placed with a package of 8 LPA with the help of trainings at QSpiders. I would say that I have joined QSpiders in May 2023, and my experience was a transformative one. I have always got guidance and support from the teachers and the trainers, which has helped me be where I am today. I have done a Java full stack course, which helped me gain skills where I have started from scratch till my journey here. I would just say that joining QSpiders was a great decision. I came here as an incubation student, and not only the trainers but also the HRs supported me in every way and helped me be where I am today.